How to use the Snap feature in Windows 11. The Snap feature in Windows 11 allows you to run apps side by side on your primary or secondary monitor. You can run up to 4 apps on each monitor. To use the Snap feature, hover the cursor over the maximize icon of an app to access Snap. Snap offers 6 layouts depending on the screen resolution. Select your preferred layout and the apps will rearrange in your display. App windows are automatically sized when you drag the app to different areas of the screen. If you have a snapped layout in horizontal mode and you rotate your display, the app windows also rotate and stay in their snapped positions. Snapped window positions are also remembered when you dock and undock from external monitors. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.